This is the Primo bottom loader that has hot, cold, and it has a K-cup coffee maker. But from what I've seen, all the floats on the inside of these are about the same. And I just replaced that float. I was having issues with it flooding all over my floor. It was intermittent, and then it started just continuously doing it. So I bought the $27 float on Amazon. It's not the same as this one. It only has one float instead of two. Basically, just take your old one out and hook your white wire up that comes on the new one onto the same spot where this one came off of, and disregard this one. It doesn't have it. The new float doesn't have it, doesn't need it. As you can hear it now, it's filling. It's doing fine. Now you have to get into this control box, this power supply box with the little, not motherboard, circuit board in there. It's you'll have to take that wire and run it through the hole on the inside there, and you have to take this box off. This side's open, and you just take these two screws out. And to get to those two screws, by the way, you have to take this panel off, which has 4 screws. And to get to all that, you'll need to take the top off, which has 2 screws. I'm not going to run through all that because, I mean, I'm just here to tell you that, hey, if you buy this one off of Amazon, it works. I don't sell it. There is another one on Amazon that has the 4 wire like this one, but you're gonna see that it's longer. Hey, looky there. It just filled. It's not leaking. It stopped, and the compressor came on. So as far as I can tell, the black plug that's on the original OEM is not even needed. This is doing exactly what I want it to. Filled, it's cooling, and like I say, yeah, it looks complicated, but it's not. I mean, I'm doing this video so you can see that, hey, this does actually work. This did fix my problem. That one there, it doesn't matter what I did to it. I could lift this one, lift that one, whatever. It just kept on purging, trying to, it was just flooding every time, flooding my entire floor. So I don't know what else to tell you about it. I'm trying to keep this short and simple and just let you know there's just flooding all over the floor. Of course, check your small stuff, your gaskets, make sure that that baffle in the center is pushed in correctly like they tell you to do. But Primo has an issue with these apparently, because my first one did the same thing. It was under warranty. They made me cut the wire right here, sent them a picture, and they sent me a new one. Well, this one's not under warranty, so it's on me to fix. I want to spend another $150 or $170 on one of these things. So, but look at there. It's doing everything it's supposed to for now. And I'm going to put everything back, and I'll keep an eye on it for a while. If everything works as it should, I will post this, and hopefully it helps someone out. Like I say, be careful with the electronics, guys. I did this for a living, so, well, not this particular stuff, but I did small electronics. I hope that helps. I don't know what else to tell y'all about it.